Hi, this is Dan Altman with MarineMax here in Stuart. I want to take you through a leftover 2019 275 Scout. This is the LXF model. So we'll start at the transom. We have the upgraded twin 200 Yamahas. That also includes with the digital throttle and shift package. We have the teak on the boarding platform, swim platform if you will, is easy boarding. This is called the wave gate, so it allows for coming in and out, for diving, fishing, hanging out at the sandbar. Just really nice, easy come up and down. This simply pulls up on hydraulics, it locks in with a manual switch, and then you can lift this, pull the seat out so you have half seating. Each corner is live wells, so a lot of people use it for storage, or it is plumb for live wells. You have fish boxes in the floor, you have two of them on each side. This is a self-bailing cockpit, so you can leave it in the water. If it rains, it goes overboard, not into the bilge. We have our deluxe leaning post, cooler underneath, tackle storage here, and nice boxes. You can load them up, slide them right in. Cutting board here, you're done. Cup holders, rod holders, and then we also have rocket launchers up top with a fiberglass hardtop and the glass windshield upgrade. That's very unique to Scout. We have bolsters all around. The seating's really comfortable. Scout is really known for ergonomics. So you have a stand-up bolster and seating. I mentioned the digital throttle and shift. You can notice that the ergonomics and the reach is easy for steering wheel and also the throttle and shift. The steering wheel is a tilt steering wheel. We're loaded up with electronics. We have two screens. It's piped in for the boat, so digital switching, your stereo, fish finder, chart plotter, it's all there. This one has another upgraded system. It's an Optimus steering package, so it is power steering, and you can control how sensitive the steering is to this control here. Stereo fusion with jail audio speaker upgrade throughout the boat. Really nice package. Easy walk around, bolsters everywhere. We have a quick connect for a battery tender, so if you're on your lift, plug it in and your battery's always up. You have a teak and holly sole into the head, so a lot of people use it as a changing room. It's an upgraded head system. Your battery switches and your head stereo unit is right there. Up in the bow, forward seating, storage in the floor, fish boxes on either side. This is neat, so you have backrests that pop up. So this is up position, this is the down position. So I can sit here nice and comfortable, or sit with my feet up, nice and comfortable. Low profile grab rails is kind of hidden because they're powder coated. Makes it for easy cleaning and longevity. You have a windlass, which is pass-through, anchoring system, push button to raise and lower it, and also controlling the dash. In the forward seat here on the console is storage or a cooler. It does have a drain in it. It's got some installations for a nice cooler. Behind the seat for the forward seating is also storage. So on both sides you got nice storage. And we have a Corian countertop, cup holders, and storage trays. Again, the low profile grab rail, bolsters 360, pop-up cleats throughout the boat, and she's ready for you. My name again is Dan Altman with MarineMax in Stuart. My number is 561-762-57